Okay, so right now, Colby's just driving by my house, just revving it up. I'm gonna see if he's done 2 pass-bys already. I'm gonna see if he does a third. He's gotta turn around at some point. Hold on, I'll let you guys go, and I'll start up again when he starts revving. See, he keeps doing it. He's just driving by the house and revving it. Let's just see how many times he's gonna do this. My question is he just gonna keep driving by the house and revving? That wasn't him, that was a Corolla. I'll bring you back next time when he drives by again. At this point, I'm wondering if he got pulled over and is getting a ticket right now, because he hasn't driven by in a couple minutes. So Colby was just driving by my house several times. He did it several times off camera, so that just shows what happens when you're not recording. So you should always be recording, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so if he comes back, I have him on footage now. So, see you guys next time.